I'm late. 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 Oh. Oh, this is the wrong brush. Oh. I'm late. I'm late. Oh my God, I can't miss this appointment. Oh, this is a must make. Oh my God. I need to get this quick little brush session in. Oh, I can't miss it. Oh, I gotta do my freaking morning pull-ups though. Yeah. All right, time to go to the court.
1, 2, 3, 3WP. Rashad on the beat. Wave fam with the waves on swim. We got him on swim. You know they hate on him. Waves on swim. Deeper than the ocean. We deeper than the ocean. Another part of my routine is to freaking rush, y'all. So it's 10:45 right now and my haircut appointment is at 10:45. So I'm gonna be late.
And I just found out I got a baby on the way. I know the situation sounding crazy.
Alright y'all, it's crazy because this is really a part of my routine, running late. Like, this is not good. I need to do better. Like, I need to really do better, y'all. Like, for real. Do any of y'all always run late? I know I'm not the only one. I can't be the only one. Alright, Ocean Squad, so before we get my haircut, you already know what I like to do. I like to comb my hair up just to lift it off my scalp. So that's what I'm about to do right now. I just had my comb, that's crazy. Check this out, my original video clip, the file was corrupted, so I couldn't use it. Anyways, I wanna give y'all my real freaking haircut day routine, all right? First thing I do, you know what I'm saying? I will wash my hair the night before because I don't want any hair products in my hair before I get my haircut. If you're a beginner trying to gain a lot of progress, you might want to do that bounce back method the night before you get your haircut, all right? And then you come into the haircut day routine. So keep that in mind. If you haven't seen the bounce back method, it's a link right there. Anyways, on the day of the haircut, you wake up, right? You want to put in as much brushwork as possible. And then what you want to do is right before you get your haircut, you want to comb your hair out. You know what I'm saying? Comb it out, lift it up off your scalp, and then you want to get a soft brush. Where's my soft brush at? I'm going to give you a quick example because that footage was corrupted as well. I don't know what was going on with my camera and my memory card that day, but you know what I'm saying? I'm about to unrag and I'm just comb it out real quick. Now, this is a 3WP do-rag. I can let y'all know that these do-rags is going to drop next month for sure, all right? It's been a long time coming. I got some surprises in for y'all, all right? All right, I'm going to grab my new 3WP Snow White edition. It's a soft fork breaker, all right? And first, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna comb it out. So I'm gonna comb it out with my 3WP keychain comb. All right, just so y'all know, it's coming in 2 colors, man. I'm dropping stuff to help the Wave family in the long run. If you always lose your comb, then you know what I'm saying, this is gonna be really helpful for you because it's gonna be on your keychain. And I know people don't lose their keys that often. So, you know what I'm saying, this is gonna be clutch. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna comb it out, right? Let me zoom this in. Now I'm like 6 weeks woofing, y'all. Actually, I'm going on 7 weeks. Let me zoom this in though. I'm going on 7 weeks woofing right now. What I want y'all to know is that I'm dang near my woofing record. Anyways, you comb it, right? When you comb it, you're gonna see that some definition looks like it's going away, right? That's fine. Your wave progress is still under there. Comb that out, right? This is a 3WP wave and beard comb. Just so you can see real quick, I'll get you a little close up. This is what the 3WP keychain comb looks like. All right. I comb it, right? Lift my hair up off my scalp real good. Dropped it, and it is metal.
So it's going to last you a very long time. All right, so now that I lifted it up, I just want to brush it down lightly with my soft brush. You could pre-order this brush today. It's a link in the description. I'm just brushing down lightly. Now my progress is not going to look like it's back in there as much as it was when I first took my do-rag off because it's not as laid. Especially in the woofing stage, you're going to have to put that do-rag on to lay it down. But look, just lightly brush it down, right? And you're doing this right before you get your cut. So you in the barber shop, you know what I'm saying? You sit down, boom, you sitting down. You know you about to be next. Comb that up after you finish putting in our brush work. And then lightly brush that down with your soft brush. Just lightly touch it, just to lay down them loose hairs. And them clippers are gonna easily slide through your head and cut your waves real nice, all right? So now it's time to get the haircut.
Haircut day routine. All right, so today could I get a one with the grain, with the taper? Yeah. I appreciate it, my brother.
You'll never catch me way last time. I'll take your waves too.
The wave burglar.
I did not record any footage after the fact of me getting the haircut, but I did record a video that I was gonna put on my other YouTube channel of a vlog that I was about to do for Vegas. So I'm gonna play that Vegas clip and you can see my haircut, how fresh it was, and I showed my waves in the clip. So yeah, enjoy that. Also, if y'all think I should vlog a little bit on the 3WP channel, let me know in the comment section.
Woo! What's up, y'all? Long time no see, long time no talk. I'm gonna just act like I didn't disappear for a whole couple months and I'm just go straight into this video, going to Vegas. Oh shoot, but guess what? I'm kind of running late because I want to take these pictures for my brand. Gotta take these pictures while it's cut real fresh. And then I gotta pack still. I should have packed a minute ago, but I didn't, y'all. Bear with me, all right? I gotta take the suitcase out right here. Boom, boom. Guess what I got in this suitcase right here? Whoever guessed win $100, all right?
Another suitcase. Guess what I got in this suitcase though? Whoever guessed, get another $100. Y'all ready? Y'all ready? You ready? Another? Nah, it's not a suitcase, it's a blanket. I'm gonna bring this one though. All right, let's go. I don't have nothing to wear though. Like I don't have anything to bring. So I might just bring an empty suitcase and go shopping in Vegas. Let's get it. So yeah, Ocean Squad, that has been a basic rundown of my haircut day routine. If you are a beginner, after you get your cut, you know what I'm saying, you looking all fresh, go ham on your weak spots, all right? Go ham on them, bro. I ain't playing with you. You gotta go ham on it for the rest of the entirety until you get your next cut. Pay attention to them weak slides and you're gonna make some progress, bro. All right, that has been the 3WP haircut day routine. This is just a rough draft of it because it was so much that went wrong with my files and stuff. But nevertheless, you get the point. Boost the like button, subscribe if you haven't subscribed. I'm dropping another video real soon, y'all. Deuces.